different and cute hairstyles that are super easy for every day. Let's start.
Hi guys, I'm Marcela, hope you're well. For the first option, we're going to split the hair in half and we're going to hold a low ponytail on each one of the sides. Next, I'm going to grab the hair, we're going to twist it, wrap the ponytail, and we're going to hold the hair with bobby pins. You can use as many as you need until the bun is firm. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, and this is our first option. Okay, for the next one, we're going to grab a bunch of hair from each one of the sides. In here, I'm going to do a knot. And then we're going to do another one. When we have the hair like this, we're going to hold it with some bobby pins. And now we're going to wrap the knots with the remaining hair and hold it with bobby pins as well until it's firm. Okay guys, this option is absolutely beautiful, I love it. We're going to start by combing the hair and we're going to hold half ponytail at the back. And next we're going to split in half the hair underneath this ponytail. Next I'm going to use the topsy tail. I'm going to pass it underneath a section of hair and we're going to pull this section to the other side. Now grab a small piece of hair from the ponytail and hold it with an elastic. Now grab the other section of hair, pass the topsy tail underneath on the other side, and pull the hair. In here we're going to hold all the ponytail again using an elastic. And to finish, we're going to pull a little bit of the hair to cover the elastic as well. For the last option, we're going to do a division on the top and then another one from here to the ear on each side. Next, we're going to comb the hair and hold this section into a ponytail. I'm going to grab the right section and I'm going to pass the topsy tail underneath a small piece of hair and pull the section to the other side. We're going to do the same thing on the left side. And next, cross the divisions, wrap the ponytail and hold the sections underneath the ponytail with an elastic. To finish, we're going to pull the hair a little bit and we're done.
Okay, we hope you liked this video. If so, give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below which one was your favorite and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time. Bye!